Hey everybody, for this problem, we're going to use the percent proportion to figure out what 15% of 60 is. Okay, so come on over here and grab your pen or marker. It's up to you. Okay, so notice I have our proportion set up, and just a little reminder, this is the percent proportion over here. Okay, so the question is, what is 15% of 60? Okay, so we know that the percent is 15. So I'm going to put a 15 right above the 100. And then the question is, what is 15% of 60? So the 60 is the whole, right? So I'm going to put the 60 down here. And I'm going to put the variable n up here. So this n represents the part that we're trying to figure out. Okay? So now what we do, we need to write an equation. Okay? And remember, anytime you have two equal ratios, the cross products are the same. So I know that 100 times n is going to be 100n. And that's going to equal, okay, 60 times 15, which is 900. And now to solve for n, I'm going to divide both sides by 100. And 900 divided by 100 gives us 9. And that's the answer. So 15% of 60 is 9.